Hello friends, welcome to today's English learning session. Let me ask you a question. Backhand index pointing right. Do you understand English when you read or listen, but when you try to speak, you get stuck? Maybe you think in your native language first, and then try to translate. Maybe you know grammar rules, but when you open your mouth, nothing comes out. Or maybe you can write English, but speaking feels slow, awkward, and stressful. Does that sound familiar? If yes, don't worry. You are not alone. Millions of learners face the same problem. So, in this video, watch till the end. I will give you hundreds of real sentences to shadow. We'll cover daily life conversations, work and office English, travel English, making friends, problem-solving conversations. By the end, you'll have 10,000 words of real practice. And if you shadow with me every day, your English speaking will become automatic. So, are you ready? Let's begin our shadowing journey. Chapter 1, Daily Life English. Morning routine. I wake up early. I wake up late. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Today, I overslept. I get out of bed slowly. I stretch my arms. I open the window. Fresh air comes in. The sunlight feels nice. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I brush carefully. I use toothpaste. I rinse my mouth. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with warm water. I feel fresh now. I comb my hair. I take a quick shower. I take a long shower. I sing in the shower. I get dressed for work. I wear a shirt today. I put on jeans. I wear comfortable shoes. I look in the mirror. I feel ready. Backhand index pointing right. Repeat after me. I feel ready. Backhand index pointing right again. I feel ready. Backhand index pointing right. Faster. I feel ready. Cooking breakfast and food. I'm hungry. What's for breakfast? Today, I'll eat bread. I'll have some butter. I want eggs. Can I have coffee, please? I usually drink tea. I drink water first. This juice is fresh. This sandwich is tasty. I like fruits. I eat an apple every day. I cut the banana. I add sugar. I don't like too much sugar. This food is delicious. This food is spicy. This food is salty. I'm full. I'm still hungry. Let's clean the table. I wash the dishes. I dry the plates. I put everything away. Man walking going out. I leave the house. I lock the door. I put the key in my pocket. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. The bus is late. The bus is on time. I sit near the window. I look outside. The traffic is heavy. I listen to music. I check my phone. I scroll through messages. I reply to a friend. I smile at a stranger. I arrive at work. I get off the bus. I cross the street. I reach the office. Chapter 2, Office and Work English. Starting the workday. I arrive at the office. I swipe my ID card. I greet my colleagues. Good morning, everyone. I switch on my computer. I check my emails. I reply to urgent messages. I make a to-do list. I prioritize my tasks. I open my calendar. I check today's meetings. I drink a cup of coffee. I feel ready to start work. Backhand index pointing right. Repeat with me. I feel ready to start work. Backhand index pointing right. Faster. I feel ready to start work. Emails and communication. I'll send you an email. Please check the attached file. Can you reply by tomorrow? I received your message. Thank you for the update. Please share the latest version. I'll get back to you soon. Sorry for the delay. Let's keep this conversation short. Can we schedule a call? I'll add this to the calendar. Please confirm your availability. Memo meetings. Let's start the meeting. Can you hear me clearly? Please mute your mic. Please unmute your mic. Let's go one by one. That's a good point. I agree with you. I disagree politely. Can we find a middle ground? Let's take notes. Who will lead this project? Can we decide today? Let's take a short break. The meeting is over. Hammer and wrench work and tasks. I'm working on a report. I'm coding a new feature. I'm fixing a bug. I'm preparing a presentation. I'm making a design. This task is urgent. This project is important. The deadline is near. I need more time. Let's ask for an extension. I'll finish by tomorrow. Can you review my work? Please give me feedback. Let's improve this. I'll make the changes. Handshake collaboration. Can you help me? Let's work together. Let's divide the tasks. I'll handle this part. You take that part. We'll meet in the middle. Teamwork is important. Thank you for your support. Great job, everyone. 5 o'clock ending the workday. The day is almost over. I'll finish my last task. I save all the files. I shut down my computer. I pack my bag. I say goodbye. See you tomorrow. I leave the office. Airplane Chapter 3, Travel English, Expanded. Baggage claim at the airport. Where is the check-in counter? Can I see your passport? Do you have any luggage? Please put your bag on the scale. Here is your boarding pass. Which gate should I go to? What time is boarding? The flight is delayed. The flight is on time. Please proceed to security check. Do you have any liquids? Please take off your shoes. Put your laptop in the tray. You may go now. Where is the waiting area? Can I buy water here? I'm looking for the restroom. Backhand index pointing right. Repeat. I'm looking for the restroom. Backhand index pointing right again, faster. I'm looking for the restroom. Airplane departure on the plane. Where is my seat? Excuse me, that's my seat. Can you please move? I'll put my bag in the overhead bin. Can you help me lift this bag? Please fasten your seatbelt. The flight is about to take off. Would you like something to drink? Yes, I'd like water. Can I have orange juice? I don't need anything, thank you. Please bring me a blanket. Can I have headphones? When will we land? Enjoy your flight. Hotel at the hotel. I'd like to check in. Do you have a reservation? Yes, it's under my name. Can I see your ID? Here is my passport. Can I have a room with a view? Can I have a non-smoking room? What time is breakfast served? Where is the elevator? The Wi-Fi is not working. Can you fix it? I'd like to order room service. Please send extra towels. I'd like to check out. Can I leave my luggage here? Oncoming taxi getting around. Can you call me a taxi? How much is the fare? Please take me to the airport. Please take me to this address. Can you go faster? Please slow down. Stop here, please. How long will it take? Is this the right way? Thank you for the ride. Fork and knife with plate eating out. Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? I'd like pasta. I'll have the soup. Can I get this without cheese? I'm allergic to nuts. Can I get a glass of water? Can I get the bill, please? Do you accept credit cards? Thank you for the meal. Congratulations. Party popper. You have completed a 10,000-word shadowing practice. Remember, backhand index pointing right shadowing is not about perfection. Backhand index pointing right shadowing is about repetition. If you shadow daily, your tongue will get faster. Your brain will start thinking in English. Your sentences will come out automatically. Don't just watch this video once. Repeat it every day for 7 days. You will see the difference in your speaking. So keep practicing, keep shadowing, and keep growing. Your English will thank you. Thank you for staying till the end. I believe in you. You can do it. See you in the next lesson. Waving hand. Party popper. You have completed a 10,000-word shadowing practice. Remember, backhand index pointing right shadowing is not about perfection. Backhand index pointing right shadowing is about repetition. If you shadow daily, your tongue will get faster. Your brain will start thinking in English. Your sentences will come out automatically. Don't just watch this video once. Repeat it every day for 7 days. You will see the difference in your speaking. So keep practicing.